Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to see your old live videos on Facebook. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, open Facebook application. After that, click on three lines at the top right corner. Then click on see more option from here. Now you can see that the live video option is not showing here. So don't worry, here you just go back to your home page and then go to your profile by clicking on your profile picture icon from here. After that, click on search icon at the top right corner. Then here you search from live.
If you haven't subscribed this channel, then subscribe to it and press the bell icon to get notification of new videos.
Now you can see that the live video option is available here. Just click on it. And now you can see many live videos from here. If you want to see your old live videos, then here you click on search icon at the top right corner. After that, here you enter your name, which is given in your Facebook account. So here I will enter my name, which is in my Facebook account. After entering your Facebook name, then click on search icon from here. Now here you can see your all live videos and also see your Facebook videos from here. So by this process, you can see your old live videos on Facebook easily. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, so please leave a like.